What we're going to do here is have a look at the sample tracking system. We'll enter in a new sample, print off a label that can be stuck to your the back of your samples so you can identify them, and then we'll issue a sample, receipt a sample, and run a report of all those outstanding. So master files, samples. This allows us to set up a sample. It can be anything you want. It can be soft fabric samples, it can be your roller blind samples, and you can then associate that with a manufacturer. It'll also work for your tracks. So it gives you that sample ID. You can then print the label, and that's designed for one of those small Dymo labels so that you can scan them in and out and stick those to the back of the actual samples in your system. Having set it up, we can then go into the samples. We can select the customer that we're issuing it to, who's giving it to that customer. You would scan in the label, you enter in a date you're expecting to receipt it back, and send a sample out. At any point in time, you're able to print out a list of the samples not returned. It has the customer's name, phone number, some other details there, and it allows you to scan those back in off the printed document. At some point in time, that label will come back in, that sample will come back in, I should say. You go into samples, you key in or scan the number, it comes back with the information, double click on it, and that's it. It's been received back in. It's as simple as that. So we've seen how we set up a new sample. We have printed out the barcode label, we've issued a sample out, and we've receipted a sample back into the system and run a report to show us what samples are outstanding. So that now makes it quite easy for you to keep track of those samples. Thank you very much for your time. If you're interested in more information, please go to our website www.drapeandblindsoftware.com. Thank you very much.